Are you seeing the Microsoft.Xna Framework Library DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. As we get into the manual process for Microsoft.Xna Framework Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Microsoft.Xna Framework Library, a legacy but critical library for games developed with the XNA Framework, e.g., Stardew Valley, Terraria. It manages 2D and 3D rendering loops and audio. Missing this file is a primary cause of startup failure for hundreds of indie games. Users must install the XNA 4.0 Redistributable to fix it. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Microsoft.Xna.Framework is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-input, or X-audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Microsoft.Xna Framework library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Microsoft.Xna Framework Library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Microsoft.Xna Framework Library environment. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Microsoft.Xna Framework Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.